she's true. What? Penny did this.
Yeah.
Right?
We got about
She tried to
one of the. Yeah. Hey, stop smacking the dog.
She tried to hit me.
No, she's just pawing at you. Anyways, it is only about 70 degrees in the garage right now. So it's one of the last cool days that I won't just sweat disgustingly doing stuff to the car for the summer. So might as well get in my J spacer and put the, where's that stupid thing? Put the little insert in there. Is it in there? I'm gonna have to, this is just a box of crap. I really need to get more organized here. There it is. That's what I need. Yeah, so I do not have one of those in there. I'm thinking about going straight to the thickest one. That's the thin one, medium. I'm thinking about going straight to the thickest one. And then if I still get it rich after that, I'm gonna buy one of the ones that has a cat in it, an actual cat in it, one of those expensive ass ones, or if I can find a knockoff. But yeah, so first off, we just gotta do some garage cleaning before my Sunday car tinkering. It's a mess in here. Gotta clean up with it first. I'm so distracted. I'm not even doing, where do I start? Guess I'll start at the workbench. Yeah, garage cleaned up enough. Car's up. Get under there and pull that thing out of there. Scooty, scooty. Get that thing off there. Where's my tools? Right here. Alright, well, you know what? Let's just see. That's probably not going to give us enough of a view, but you know what? I can't hold the damn thing, so we'll just have to see how that goes. Okay, that's not the right side. There we go. Yeah, I don't think I can get this off of here without taking the sensor out of it. Alright, well. Tighten that back down a little bit. And then O2 socket, there we go. Thank you. Now, last time, like an idiot, I was not careful with this thing, and I like touched it and dropped it on things, and it doesn't seem to have caused any issues because I'm getting a rich reading. I would imagine I'd get either it'd be dead or I'd get a lean, but I don't know. Weigh in the comments. Oh yeah, so that's off. I'm gonna go put it up so it doesn't get dirty. Yeah. Come on, baby. I wonder if I shouldn't loosen these brackets on both sides and rotate this pipe so this isn't coming, because it's almost coming out of here at a 90-degree angle from the side. And I still have my J-bend spacer pointing kind of upwards, but I'm wondering if it wouldn't be better to have that up a little higher. Not gonna do it this time though. Oh, all right, we got that off. Where'd it go? Doohickey. Let's go put an insert in it. And I do see we got some condensation there. Doesn't look like it was making it all the way up in there, and that wasn't wet when I pulled it out, so hopefully it's not affecting it too much. But, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go straight to the thickest insert and see how that does. All right, so I don't have proper spring clip pliers for this thing. Hopefully it's not too hard to get in there, but you can see all three different spacers it came. From my understanding, this is pretty much exactly like the Vibrant J spacer, just some generic version, because I don't think that Vibrant J spacer is made anymore. But yeah, so I'll go with this one. Yeah, and then put that in there. How can I do this? Oh, Man fingers, just pushed it right in. Okay. Guess that's really about that. Oh, there's a wife. And it rattles. I don't like that. Maybe I could push it down in there further. I probably won't hear that though. Better not. That would be annoying. Maybe carbon buildup on there will make it not rattle anymore. All right, wish me luck. All right. Oh, gloves. Need them. All right. Sensor, spacer, tools are under there. The brush washer on there. Keep the other one just in case, I guess. No, okay. Okay, let's leave it down a little bit. Put the sensor in, tighten the sensor up, and then rotate the whole thing up and tighten that. Okay. Sensor socket. Probably can't even see a damn thing I'm doing because of the weird positioning. Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay. I'm gonna point that as high as I can point it. Okay. Tighten it down. All right, that clip is not technically in the right spot. I just don't care right now. I gotta go grocery shopping. But I think it's coming off there. The hole for the thing's almost at a 45-degree angle coming out. It is going up. Do you think I need that hole to be above the 45-degree angle right there, or I think that should do it? I mean, I guess ultimately we're gonna see shortly in the next week or so. All right, all done. Let's see if it explodes. If this explodes, bye YouTube. It still looks like I have the tiniest little bits of air leaks down there on the after the cat, or after the sensor rather. I don't know, let's see if we get any, oh, my AC's on. Sorry car, let me turn that off while you're warming up. So listen to that, it changed pace. It used to be slower than that. Didn't explode. I'm still here, guys. Well, give it a drive for the next week or so. Check the codes every few days. And hope that that does it. Wish me luck, guys.